y'all. So I got a package and we're gonna open it up because I got something today. Because this company sent me a wig. It's a synthetic wig. So let's check it out. So this is the wig. It came with some stuff inside of it. Wig caps. This is a temporary tattoo. And then like some hair accessories. And this is the wig. So we're gonna try it on. And this is it. Got bangs. And this is the inside. Got that little piece right there. Okay, so let's try it. It's fine. Wait, give me a second. Okay, so we're gonna try to finesse this wig. So let's see what we could do with these bangs. First of all, I'm realizing if I cut it. Okay, no. I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea. Alright, so I thinned them out a lot and I cut them a little bit shorter. A little bit shorter. They're still really, really long, but I cut them a little bit shorter. And I think like I'll flip it to the side. And maybe see it a little bit. Just for a picture moment. Or is that ugly? They sent me a wig. It's a cute wig. I would wear it, like if I needed something quick to throw on. And as I always say, when all else fails and you got a synthetic wig, throw a head on that bitch. Throw a head on it. A head always works with it. Every single time. That's all I got. Bye.